Samsung, we didn't expect this from you. Hey guys, I'm Mr. Hope and welcome back to our channel. And do subscribe, shows your support. Today we are going to do the unboxing of our new S26 Ultra. Before that, let me get into something which I said in the very beginning of this video. So I actually placed order of this phone on 10th of March 2026 and I just received the phone. So I constantly tried contacting Samsung and they told me that silver gray is only available and rest of the color I chose, which is going to be a surprise to you guys, is not available. So after too many conversations and all those things, I told that I'll wait for the device because I needed this. I already have a black one and I have an iPhone titanium, so gray. Which so I didn't want another black or gray device. I wanted something good and colorful. So I checked it online and they told that there are various reasons of the delay due to the manufacturer, too much bulk orders of demand in hardwares due to the AI development, recent AI developments. But anyways, I expected and we all expect Samsung to deliver these devices as soon as possible. And yeah, let's unbox this phone. So this is the packaging I received from Samsung. So let's see what they have given us. Okay, these are some courier details. I say packaging is quite okay, not that bad. Okay, this is. I think there is a box inside this. Okay. Oh, here we go. Billing details. So actually, I pre-booked this thing. So I got the 512 GB in 256 GB variants price. So those who have pre-booked this thing, yay! So here we go. The device. So the actual price is 1,60,000, and we are getting it for I think 1,40,000. Yeah. So let's go. And here we go. So what else do we have in this box? I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. SIM ejecting thing, and we have the USB cable. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so this is the device, and I'm gonna do some gaming tests and some camera tests on this device soon, and I'm gonna show you guys what all the features are here and what all can be done. So welcome. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment sections what all doubts you have regarding this phone, and I'll try to clear all your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you.